Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Studio. This is your space to slow down, to listen, and to speak, one step at a time. I'm really happy you're here with me today. Before we begin, just take a small moment for yourself. Breathe in and slowly out. There's nothing you need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. You're allowed to learn at your own pace. Today, I want to talk about something very real, something many English learners feel, but don't always talk about. Confidence. Confidence when speaking English. You know, sometimes we think the problem is vocabulary. We think, I don't know enough words, or my grammar is not good, or maybe my pronunciation is not clear. And yes, those things matter. But very often, that's not the real reason we stay silent. The real reason is a feeling, a quiet feeling inside. That moment when you want to speak, but you stop. That moment when the words are there, but they don't come out. Maybe you feel nervous. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you start thinking too much. What if I make a mistake? What if I sound strange? What if they don't understand me? If you've ever felt like this, I just want you to know you're not alone, not at all. Almost everyone goes through this. Even people who speak English very well still feel nervous sometimes. Confidence is not something you suddenly have one day. It's something you slowly build. So today, let's just talk about it. Calmly, gently, like a quiet conversation. There's something very important I want you to understand. Confidence does not come first. Confidence comes after. After you try, after you speak, after you make mistakes. Many people wait. They tell themselves, I'll speak when I feel ready. I'll speak when I'm confident. But that moment, it doesn't really come, because confidence is not something you wait for. It's something you create, little by little. Let me say that again, slowly. You don't wait for confidence. You build it, and you build it in very simple ways. You don't need big conversations. You don't need perfect sentences. You just need small moments. For example, you can start by speaking to yourself. Yes, just yourself. No pressure. No one is watching. No one is judging. You can look around and say, I'm sitting on my bed. My phone is next to me. It's quiet right now. Very simple, but very powerful. Or you can talk about what you're doing. I'm drinking tea. I'm listening to this. I feel a little calm. And when you do this every day, even just for a few minutes, something begins to change. English starts to feel more natural. Your mind becomes more relaxed. You don't feel as scared. Let's slow down together for a moment. Just listen first, and then repeat if you want. I am here. I am learning. I am improving. Slowly. That's enough. That's speaking. Another gentle way to build confidence is repetition. Not fast, not perfect, just soft repetition. When you hear a sentence, you say it again, in your own voice, at your own pace. Let's try together. I feel nervous sometimes, but I still try. It's okay to make mistakes. Very nice. Just like that. You don't need to sound perfect. You don't need to sound like anyone else. You just need to speak. Now, let's talk about mistakes, because this is where many people feel stuck. We often think mistakes are bad. We feel embarrassed. We feel uncomfortable. But actually, mistakes are part of learning. They are not the problem. Silence is the problem. If you stay silent, nothing changes. But if you speak, even with mistakes, you grow. Let me share a small situation. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" You feel nervous, you pause, you think too much, but you can still answer. "I woke up at 8. I had breakfast. I worked. I came home." Simple, real, clear. That is enough. That is communication. You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to express yourself. Confidence grows in these small moments, not big ones. Now, I want you to try something gently. Think about your day, just today. What did you do? Take your time. Maybe you can say, "Today, I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate an apple. I went to a park. I felt happy." That's it. You're speaking, and that matters. Sometimes confidence is not only about English. Sometimes it's about how you see yourself. Maybe you compare yourself to others. Maybe you think, "They are better than me. They speak faster." But your journey is your own. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Confidence is quiet. It doesn't shout. It doesn't say, "I'm perfect." It says, "I'm trying. I'm learning. I'm not giving up." And that is enough. Let's take one more small moment together. Repeat slowly. I am learning every day. I don't need to rush. I can speak, step by step. Beautiful. Now, imagine yourself in the future. You feel more comfortable. You speak more easily. You don't feel as nervous. That person is still you, just with practice, just with time. Every small sentence you speak brings you closer to that version of yourself. So don't wait. Don't wait to feel ready. Start now. Start small. Start gently. 1 sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow, a little more next week, and slowly you will feel it. You will think less. You will hesitate less. You will speak more, and confidence will come naturally. So keep going. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. You are learning, and that is already something to be proud of. This is Daily English Studio, and I'm really glad you spent this time with me. Come back again, listen again, speak again, and each time you'll feel a little stronger. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.